Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Hydro-exfoliating head operation removes excess dead skin cells. Choose Hydro. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Power, 3. Water flow, on. Bottle selection, choose bottle A/B/C according to your skin type. Start from the chin, move slowly in straight lines to treat the entire face, and wipe with a damp cotton pad or facial wipe during operation. Replace with H200 abrasive head. Use gliding motions to focus on cleansing the nose area. Wipe with a damp cotton pad or facial wipe during treatment. Hydrofacial application, deep cleansing and control of excess oil. Choose Hydro. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Power, 3. Water flow, on. Bottle selection, choose bottle A/B/C according to your skin type. Begin treatment at the chin area, treating 2 to 3 spots before connecting them in a line. Repeat this process for other facial areas. Apply additional treatment on the nose using circular motions. During operation, wipe the treated area with a damp cotton pad. Cleanse face with a washcloth. Spray application, additional cleansing, hydrating, and moisturizing. Choose spray gun. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Solution. Prepare the mini flask by mixing toner and serum in a 10:1 ratio and shaking thoroughly for proper blending. Glide the handle from the chin to the earlobe, from the corner of the mouth to the midpoint of the ear, from the side of the nose to the temple, and from the eyebrow to the hairline. Suction procedure, lymphatic drainage. Choose suction. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Apply facial oil evenly to the treatment area. Glide from behind the ear down the side of the neck to the collarbone, then push horizontally toward the acromion and drain to the underarm. Glide along the lower facial contour to behind the ear, then slide down the side of the neck to the collarbone, and push horizontally toward the acromion down to the underarm. Start from the chin, glide across the mouth corners, nasal wings, and lower eyelids up to the eyebrows and yin-tang. Slide along the hairline to the sides of the ears, then move from behind the ears down the lateral neck to the collarbone, followed by horizontal pushing toward the acromion and draining down to the underarms. Cleanse face with a washcloth. Import hub operation, infuses nutrients and promotes skin blood circulation. Choose import hub. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Ultrasound energy level, 3, EMS/EP energy level, 3, mode, EMS. Apply serum to the facial area. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, Glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, and facial cream. Cleaning the Dermabrasion tips. Use the included cleaning brush to remove residue from inside the tip under running water. Soak the tips in saline solution or rubbing alcohol for approximately 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and allow all parts to air dry completely before storing them in the storage case. Cleaning the spray handle. Fill approximately 1/3 of the bottle with clean water. Turn on the device and spray until the bottle is empty to flush the internal tubing. Suction cleaning/import hub cleaning. Clean and disinfect the handle by wiping it with a damp towel or saline solution, then wipe off any excess moisture with a dry towel to keep the handle dry.